Now I will go to the FAQ section. I've already created some FAQs with the help of ChatGPT, so I will simply copy it from there and then paste it on these sections. Now, let's say that you want to add more content or sections to this page. To do that, click on this web icon here and you'll find dozens of templates here. Now, go to the Sections option, and here you'll find different sections that you can add on your page. Alright, our page design is complete now. To preview this design, you need to click on this little arrow here, and then click on this Preview on Browser option. This will open a new page where you'll be able to preview your entire design. And as you can see, this design is looking much better than those silly Shopify products pages. Every section is looking smooth and clean. Of course, we had to do some manual work for this design, but almost 80% of the work was completed by AI. So the next step for us is to publish this page on our Shopify store. So click on this Publish button on the top right, and then you only need to choose your plan here.
Wait, what? This tool is so costly, man. There's no way a beginner can afford to use this.
Well, of course, this is a paid tool. And it might be costly for some people, but I do have a free alternative to this too, which I will reveal in a moment. But first, you need to understand something. You see, there are many AI store builders out there that will create your entire store for absolutely free. And in the past 30 days, I've tried almost all of those AI store builders. And I have got very simple stores like this, and this. And let's be honest, guys, we are living in 2024. And you know this as well as I do, that these types of stores will not going to make you any sales. I mean, have you ever purchased anything from these types of slacky stores? No, right? You need to have a unique store design that will help you build trust and credibility with your customers. And that's why I use tools like Replo to design the stores of my clients. So for those who want to use Replo to design their store, I've given a link in the video description that will give you some discounts on these plans. And if you are looking for a free alternative to this, then I have something for you. It's called the Gem Pages Page Builder. Gem Pages is also among the best Shopify page builders, and it also has a feature that will help you create your entire Shopify store using AI. I've already created a detailed tutorial on Gem Pages. You can simply click here to watch that video, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.